Baby, I will be on Saka na watch live streaming wing. Very, very important. Usha, when you get this live streaming, kindly share the link for me. It's very important. Share the link and alert people that Opatafuor is live. Those who are part of these groups created for Opatafuor and Zenith of Heaven's ministry, kindly share the link into it and alert people that I'm live. Most people are not aware, especially Ghanaians, due to the frequent fluctuation of our electricity. So most people are not aware. So kindly share the link for us. Share the link, share the link, share the link. Maybe I will be a share link, no, share link, you know. Maybe I will be a share link, no, ma'am, you know, ma'am, was maybe I will be a share link, no, mammy. Maybe I will be share the link for me. Wherever you are, share the link for me. Most people are not aware because most part of Ghana is experiencing frequent power fluctuation. Nti bebre nyawe, bebre Ghana bebre wo desum, desum, and you rain me hanko modum light nko 4 times. Eye ahase enumre omodum light nko 4 times. Nti see light ni de mwa dum so no aban ne sa de ko dum so. Said the previous government de ko mu no the same thing always so the amaye. Bosia ya bonika ya brogu Ghana was still here that's the sum government we buy when me anya hwe amaye wa moye energy sector no is still suffocating. When you come online, kindly share it for us. You're watching me live from Samuel Abuaji. Okay, champion, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. Kindly share the link for me, and I'll be much grateful. Now you didn't come on 1 or 2 be paid. You go so fasting, but Gladys and Bruce. Hey, Charlie, Gladys, and they are there and they are magical. You did magic today. A big ups to you and a very good evening to you wherever you are. And it's previous government no anya hwe edum so na Mahamadi die and no anya da so team MPP bae almost so bosian sika o mawie nyina ye da so no kura de o kan ho nya hi opo MPP ni na time a ye wan kase wasem anumre ko madum light nko almost 4 times ade oh na odi agra no ma show ni o very sad. Said to date, we still have challenge at the energy sector, and it's very bad. Baby, I will be politics. I'm not a politician. I don't do politics. I say it as how it is. When you do good thing for the country, I'll come here give you the accolade. When you do bad thing and doesn't suit the taste of the citizen, I'll say it. Entino salute, baby, I will be amateur. Na ye mean come we are no share link no. Ye busu aye fasting no. Very soon now ye the bury on the we are fasting in bury here. But from Monday going, fasting no ye change no. Afei edru adane boso. Edru adane bo. Ye be bo adane. Ye be reverse ade bi onipa ye. Joseph Smith, a very good evening to you. How you doing? Hey, Akusia say, well, I won't die, one crying. Now more light there. Yeah, this is almost a light, no. And maybe I will be kindly share the link for me. So that's how it is. Now, in reality, Nyame Aduma, Monday, Sesau prayer topic, you know, we are going to pray with Psalm 35. Psalm 35. The truth about life is that if you don't get time to deal with people who are fighting with you until you bring your suppressors, your oppressors, people who doesn't want your farewell. Until you subdue them, they will never let you be at peace. Omo mpe yie, omo a enam sum, ye won krofo bi wo ha, omo ye humanim asenkyere, ohu anim a ase wo ne wo kan. Enso wo brechi a na oka wo tiri asem tantantan. Obi wo ha, otimi go to the extent bu a wo ne neton ade wo dwom. Bi wo ha wo ne ne tie, efie mu mantam, enso opese o break you down. You will be brewha more abutre na enkrofo de mo nam wo Ghana ha enkrofo de mo nam de mo nam Ghana ha oh ni nyina nse so be so bring you down a cripple man who say yes we are seeing now ka san krofo we mu na eye from Monday echo we be deal with them. So Monday echo empire we be bono yes, empire over bad damning. Oh, one more must show the tia. The entire Opatafuor won't be family agro, no, won't be family agro da. Because me serious, me very dangerous. O tweet me, I met tweet me found a comfort, me found a occultic group or joining, open joining all the confraternity and family. O tweet me, I met tweet with you about bad damning, oh bad damning. One more empe ye, one more solity our ma, one more a tewa bra bosso, a person wa bra boy at his sebi and Tobago, omun peso be you soon ye, and ne osre and ne echna ye soon, and ne sikaba will sem echna no have ya corre yare, san you pa bonny way, o kind Psalm 22 verse 16, David in the kayo, or see a sunjia mi nano. Onipa boni ni wayesa kranman ene odidi ni nsem didi na brabom obi ba bi obi ha ba bia wonya waduane wonya wano aduane na ho na atamfo pese o se no ma woti ni suo ivadubu an very good evening to you sanipa boni fo we o mo na also will deal with them me wodi see a metwa me mfa wo nipa ban a wo ye enti we going to go with Psalm 35. Na Psalm 35 no okinkan atifia 7 na o se atamfo nti ohwehwe mwa so atamfo nti ohwehwe mwa wana mpese ye ho betoyen wana sometimes you think oh we are fed up with some of these messages and let me tell you no matter who you are still people will fight against you. In reality people will fight against you. It could be from your extended family, your nuclear family, or maybe people, especially people who have aged, who have gotten to their maturity age where you've burst into a relationship before. Who couldn't that there be betimi asori etiawo? We yire that there be betimi asori etiawo. Wo mpena bi a wo na twe mpena jai. Obesa asori etiawo. O maami bi a wawu betimi asori etiawo ne kra ne honhom boni ana tinimu a will leave you behind. It can fight you in the realm of the spirit. Nanka obi a wo na twe mpena jai na da oda so ye de wo die. Your dream speaks a lot. Your dreams speaks a lot. Your dream speaks a lot. Your dreams, it speaks a lot. Antifashion dream, Monday elko, no peace for the wicked people. Take your time and deal with them. After that, we are from Monday call. It's going to take us from Monday up to Sunday. The next Monday is Kasem Yebe. I will teach you how to chant money, how to call money, how to command money to manifest miraculously, physically. I will teach you. The Moses here, man, ready at the manner. A man di a free wamren. I will teach you. It's a secret. And then you ain't even kwajiman and ye permanent biya. But the reality is we need money. Yeska. And the Moses here, and we must do the same thing. And from Monday, obi wo ha abrochira woteno obi tigana ha ode wonam saa e ka no kuna ko atof awurade ni patrimu osum o ni patrimu osum kra ni patrumu osum. I don't know why most people are very wicked. Kami hu ye di ofru di apartment ye piano nanso nko a wo di efia wo tim da bia sika ba usem ane ahye sika ba usem ane ahye na abrabọ sebe ebi da wanum na wo tu bia na ebere na ada na nko a wo de ende de wo wanum kura atamfo ayi afiri ho. Very bad people. Very, very bad people. Very, very bad people. And Psalm 35. And if you are a town for inti. When a sorry anadwo ade ni empire obeboni akwankyere dimuni. Ewiase onyankopon ahye ewiase. Oye zenete ba yebi. Bobby ne nipatiri mu oden. Ko pebi. Ade a me be kire no ko pebi. Ko pebi. Ne deal with nipa ne nipatiri mu odsum. Yababon paye na ubon paye na tieni. Psalm 35 verse 1. Was here ready? Only one hour when me ham no ham. Only 1 hour when me kun enko. David was aware that people were wrestling and battling him. David know ya aware so be the neko. Una brabon. You know yourself more than me Opatafuor. Bibi ne woku a obehu. Yare bi ne woku a obehu. Nipa bi hye akast spell. See am fire to so abehu. Mema ni bebre say age obema obema mu ayemra obehu we are aware of it. Obi the cancer to so you get you are aware of it. I'm not the one to tell you, but you are aware of it. So obi ni wo di asie wa adwuma mu a we are aware. Obi pese adwuma na wo ye ne ye ufiri mu a we are aware. So obi ma wasundwe wo aware mu a we are aware. Bema na wanya no obi bo asundwe a wo ya we nipa na owo abrabom na obetimi ato no botom aboa de obetimi ayiteku ana asempoa aboa wo no se obi wo ha o twetwa wo ni nipa ni ntamu a o ya we se ya ma promise and fail a o ya we se nioma enkoso te se de wo pe na o ya we se aduru pampanso awiase aye den na ho kire da wo so a o ya we se osu ena usu ena uhu nipa o hweda sere enso kwose dem a usu o ya we bia na obi di wani wa brabo obi di wani enso untimi nka untimi mie wa no nka. This is the secret way to deal with such people. You deal with them because omo nya baba. Ene na David kan o se urade oni wana wana me ham so chamning katani mu na sore beboa me twepia na si wana wotame no kwan ka kire me kra se wade nkwa ne me ma wona wo hwehwe mu owuo nu animu ase na wona nimu ma wonfa wona wo pe me bone no mfa ahohare ense wona chi wona pel bone me Opatafuor me sabe ho atamfo doso edina bia me sore a me bompa yesra urade Mr. Sikawi and Yaka, the Tommy Matamfo. I don't pretend. I'll curse you, mean I will never pray for my enemies. Say, Bompire Matamfo. Me Bompire Matamfo said day. Sankasia Sebono, Abrofun in the church Bible, it was never there. Even Jesus, he cursed Judas Iscariot. Go and read the Bible very, very well. Even the day I know Muti the Last Supper, Tiasmo Catcher was say. Mu amoti ha ibu mu baako ene be yimi ama meboa. The Last Supper wankasa meboa wo hwe meboa. Na se wo Yesu unim se omoti hoyi omo ye wasuafo emu baako ene be yiwa ma. Ubie wano a wo si se nipa no onue na mpacho wo a wo hwe o maame o papa e ka kire wo se dua wa dome wana o ndome o. Now we are about to read the Bible. We say bonfire ma watamfo. What kind of prayer are you talking about? I don't pray for my enemies. I curse them for them to suffer. Use your gumption. Act on your intelligence. Don't misinterpret the scriptures to affect you negatively. Obi a on pesa obewo. Obi a on pesa obeware. Obi a wananti anka ababa wa wasisu. Wetimi anya bema bi obeboa. Ntufi se de bi antokwa no. Ntufi se bibi ni muntem. Unim se spirit bi di wati a wo hawo. One person will break bema ni firi wa bra bom na wo kyerɛw. Unim said they we are near see here. to me be do a chi opese was sell. To me be do a chi opese or de yale count to. Huh? They be a kakraba unsema no akoma na sorry. No any subiri. Now dane to her. Now dane to her. Unim se bibi die chire pese how. Don't you think there's something behind? There's something there. You break those obstacles, those demons, those evil people that have availed themselves for the evil spirit to use them in fighting us. Fight them. I don't joke with things. The bonfire yes, they would say, "Oh mama, who are so do their mommy." The master would so mommy to me. Na me timi nyina me na so nche. Me wi ade aka. To me na mesre me the same atamfo. To me, I'm not a prophet you can joke with. When you would show to him say, "Obe say me, I'm so say, me mo ahwere wade padi." Sana me tienti na me obi ntimi fa me nto no. They be on predict me end so Opatafuor class on be na me ya sore kese. On the metro. Sana me suni me ban tienti. I don't joke with things. You di agura me fight too. Me fight too part spiritually. And you fight them. What you want to be to be phone or the atoso, no, I can't wash an out what man what does I need to wash them now. So, who soon get and get it, who's only a who soon get and get it, who's no sorry, no one in me, now, omu dins, who are there I can't work for some was a seminar Opatafuor so met me. I saw for now, and then Ghana saw for baby them to be with him, this animal there because more I can put him to him. Rise up. And you put beer when you are break. So, who Bobra will be a Sibiano, who want to food to some one year. Hello, said the American Mass here. Only power near break. Now, Bobrado, who want to food to some one year. Ya for Busaho, dear Bentina, Abua Zebra. Who fe, Otifie, and so not donkey, and your fan didn't go fee. Donkey. And the dependent to you or enjoy life. Zebra or the realm. What is a zebra to you or to zoo? What is here the donkey? I go to zoo that. Busa whole question. What is say? Yeah, the donkey. I go to zoo that. Zebra the zoo or the realm. Adentia. Udiabra will be you fufu so nam no fufu ye. Omwani mrena dia brabon yesterday the jokes are obi be mu atini suo. One not to horse repa. If you are not careful, the people you took bullet for, or ujina homa ye shoot too, sana be omu benyam kwano. Omu yonga sa jina ho blemu say, adentina ma omo jani bi, apiti egu o matari fufuo so. Eye be na mabuo so ti ase anyame nhira. Nipa ujina ho say, sa brantie we sa baba wa we. Sa nipa we, me ntwe ma ye nse ne wa brabom, me jina ho no makoama no, me dia ma no. Mesu metim pintem kwama no. Say power. It is a sign that you took bullet for those people to survive. You took bullet for those people to survive. And if you are not careful, these people will pay you back with evilness and tell you that why did you spill your blood in their white cloth? The people you took bullet for will turn and tell you that why did you spill your blood in your white cloth? One more awujina ho say yenya wa yakayaka de se na be omu benya nhirani yedie no. Obasa tani o machi no ma beka kire say adentina o ma umoja ni bi ka o matare fufuom e kire say de obaboa ni mpo no wa hwe ya ne ono asa akutia entimi e ba atamfo ase de Yesu okutia na atamfo say e wo say ye be yi wonu Yesu ama ni ya na ya yaze de ahye na tantade am yakuno nanso so de nam no so asintu dua de baba no onwie is a curse. He was aware when he sat on the table on the Last Supper with those apostles. He made it plain. He said it to them that among you people who betray me, among you seated here are the very people who will betray me. Though he knew that among his disciples one of them will betray him, but he went on to curse that person. And you tend to write it in the Bible that I should pray for my enemy, for them to do what? Whilst those who set an exemplary life for us to emulate, the God who created heaven and earth, Satan became his enemy, and he didn't pray for Satan to repent. He threw Satan from the heavenly perspective to this earth. Till date, God is still fighting with Satan. And you tell me that I should pray for my enemy. That is absolute rubbish and nonsense. I can't do it. I will pray for God to kill you. I'll pray for God to harm you the same way you want to fight me. Akoshia brantie bi, akoshia baba wabi, anko betimi aboa pa na obi di tumi mfon kwasia bi ti baabi ewe kitiaw. Enra lady be from US. O suna me re kra ho. Me busan sa there na downfall. Sa woman kafra wat me so hwe me kafra sa me ka wasem wa ba me modin. O say na downfall ne ne ti ho. O gini dipa na ode kokoshia guy bi US where broni wo pen pa na broni na be picking everywhere the ode na ko be the ona o woni fie woni bibia. Na downfall ya ode ne ko so won kwatia broni na downfall na ko fa ne old ne past life pictures ni video fun bi e de akọ sabotage no aka bibi de atia no aye ne say lady no ni broni ni ti wo kura no de e koso no ma broni ni mpede ni ma wa pam no sister na asem enye ya e ka tren say we na downfall we no opo nkunu ntontwino papa anya hwe abone ya obi si Opatafuor sofu na o kase na ngame ngabe nipa boni ni oma wonya asundwie wani gie kakra okọ ya nipa eboa wo no hwese wakọ sabotage wa me ya pam ha obi wo ha what na America bonting what na UK Canada Amsterdam Germany Belgium hwe bra wo brani awode edew adwuma kakra wo ye obi ti wo so ye boss ekyina wo de hey ekyina wo de high ekyina wo de hey wo dina ho hwe no wo ye wo de o mo mpaye ma o free bia so mehwe ho o fru steps ya wa pa hwe ma ni tiri ni ti ahwe steps ni so ma wa wu afiri ho kwase ampanyi ni say wote ho no wa sell life na brabo anko yi ama usu America na akotena so ko di pizza ukotena America ukotena UK so ko pe brabo na akoya obi so aye ho kran ya le no abeto ho na de bia wo yam hihye wo de wuntimi nye kra na wo ye o dakura wuntimi na ni nyina nsa aboa bi si uso. Hey sister, my brother, life is not the way you think, so don't joke with life. Then at some point, those who think they are calm and they are religious, they are holy holistic mama Jesus, they have remained unmarried. I can say mitro me say adenti na zebra na muram na donkey no wofie udi agora wa ho ofani nyina achi wo be ma bia kra hunu aka che say I na wow they are supposed to say love you kind of crutch no wa ho ofani nyina achi wo be zebra wo betena muram na de ne ho nya fe na o te say donkey no ya hye kawa wanya be ma papa ne na twempena papa bi ami asoso agu na no now the to ne wono fo ni nyina odi ti muram aye say zebra no dia bra be say zebra sister be say zebra wo be ka muram wono wa ho fo ni nyina wo be ka muram odi abra wo be ka muram wa no ne brofo ni nyina wo be ka muram obi ampew do be shi ankra so be hawo obe tete obe mu asu sorry. Yeah, baby, do something for yourself. Do something for yourself. You think it is right? When you see some of us glittering like gold, we never took it on a silver platter. We have fought for whatever that we are enjoying today. Wherever you see me, I have really fought for it. If you see me with a lot of crowd in my church, I never had it on a silver platter. Don't think that I've gone to some malam, a zanguma, or a witch doctor for any enchantment to pull crowd. I worked for it. I prayed, fasted, and fought my enemies. We all had witches and wizards in our family, but we are fighting them, and we fought them in the early beginnings of our ministry. We fought them, and we are still fighting them, and we will fight them till we die, until they retract from their evil ways. If they don't change, I will never also change. If the enemies of mine will not change, I will also not change. Some town for Sasa, Messumen Sasanda. One a permanent was an almost a son, Messumen Sasanda. Many near my dress, I may be born against Satan and Payabians, Uncle Yajuma, mean to me yet. ade abompa e mo atamfo nsachira sa nkwase adwuma we Nyankopɔn kra nyeme na meye ayi tena Nyankopɔn wa bompa ya ma Satan sisa ya go bompa ye ma utirimu nya den na nipa tirimu odin udi abra obesredi nipa be mo asre o sre wia na wasa akoka wasre chira bonten say we sisi wo sre di Where can I get the 42 wolves for those laughing at my bad hair? Hey, I don't know. Hey, some of these comments, where can I get the 42 wolves for those laughing at my bad hair? What did I make wrong? Mwaninya day. The entura, you can say the entire boom of Opatafuor drew maybe another than who see. Oh, frame me, I mean, fat, me baby, whom was saw them, and you be out. Abua called the Diano, on tell whom a dream maybe I know called the than who could see. Samuel Kojo, yes, salute. A dream maybe another than who could see. Just to prepare myself and fight my enemies. Because me, one time for Dawson. Me one time for a Dawson. Opatafuor me one time for Dawson. One more say me, no, Miss Menya time, me say, oh, we near Opatafuor for your money, media, and on your she. Or say, until my prophet speaks, I have nothing to do. Until you speak, God will sit down and see you die out of famine. God will see you until you speak. God will sit down and see you die out of bills. Odanka, a caminian name. Sister, one sorry, no one tear say, oh, I fed ye, the one, Emma, a camino, Tom, so say one more until my prophet speak. He has nothing to do until you engage heavens. You engage the heavenly sphere. Until you engage them in your matter, the heavens will keep mute. The heavens will look unconcerned. Enti mu anyame na fama nyame no beye obi se wa so fama nyame nyame no to no hu se yesel ode nyame no to no hu se yesel. Until you speak, God will sit down 40 times and look unconcerned. And at the end of the day, we will be say, and I'm a radiate me harm, me dear radiate children, and so then children bonny and soft media too, Trimunti. Me yam juma, or me boa, or mupun, sorry, many am rank, my brabo, my boss, what I saw to you, share. More Trimun yet, dear la, Mammy Trawa, dear, but bonny me, or to say, cram my child when she yak. Nipa bonny me, or to say, cram my, as some of David Kai, Psalm 22 verse 16 or see nipa body need to set mine what chame ho ahia watafre me nsem wa hwere me nam asempa ba na nsem ye wo hene na wo nam ye wo hene nipa body need to set mine na nipa body ni eni wadanfo me Opatafuor na me yo wadanfo unua ba unua bema o sister o mami o papa o nana on the boni ni no what is sakraman we twa won ahia wo da won timi nda edua na do a adeso a won timi ne ye de soaw na nkrama adwagu so na wo foro pepo asa wo toilet asa wo sia tutu eduru me bi aso abodam asa ntuma agufi ni atale fi na hye nipa bonifoɔ eduru me bi ade njata adwagu so adenti nipa boni ni what is sakraman de opase wo hu ni say wo wawie ya ba anya wie papa it mean when you fight me I'll fight you. I'll tell my spirit to fight you. I'll tell my spirit to fight you. When you fight me, I'll tell my spirit to fight you. Ebia na o kasa wa no keke physically. Me share mo amokai be 4 years ago. Samokaya 2019. 2019, 2020, 2021. Now software be etititi social media. No mo kase dwa mo num Opatafuor e be nse. E na ote o mo nka, ma se o mu nyina. Ma se o mu nyina, me do bia to afiase. Me de konson gu o mo nan e do ma bo asam adu pugurum. O mo mpagya da ohia esuni amane na be di o machi kopi wiase awie ye sa na mete sa sofo no kai o sa sofo no kai o sa sofo na omo wo social media na omo di matem na omo yere na omo e te omo nka bi still be da so gina mu na mi nyina sa na mete be de konson bo omo na de omo to asama adu pubunu wiase ni omo be di ohia ne abebrese ne yale ye ni empatuwo ebe ka omo ka omo no omo ma omo say mi ni nyina adentia. Don't joke with the power of God. And tell me being sell. Abraham asasi weso. Uwo betaye ntie urade do ba asasi so. Na o te wonum sa no ni pasel. Mukai, one more 2019, 2020 no mo tete YouTube no so. Na Opatafuor. Mukai o, ene mo te wo mo ka bio, masel o mo nyina o. Mesere keke, masel mo ebe. Oh, bebre ma wu so mo ntimi nka triple on the mensa bomb pam tia o man na to say obia because ewiase the ofruit ya pan ye piano enti me nko hwia obia de me mbo obia po me nisika me ba bontia be ka kire mo say mo moa me ekwa koma na oboa me afan eno ntre se me azan enti o de asem a minim ho hwe to me so a mesel Catching a branch about the way I'll see you on your ye. So pray now, dear brother, Kesua, maybe ask you ama. Me do make mouse where you ama. Men were Opatafuor and Casabe Brebe actions. Ain't it sorry no Monday for Badani. Omo hair, baby, or say I remember, yes. Omo John Num, you have brought pattern. Sometimes I can't remember when I was talking about TV Joshua. These people were making noise. And where are they? They beg before they eat. Maybe they yari. What do you want for the agro? Marichra one here. The book of Psalms, verse 35. I only had a bomb pie. Now, okay, verse 5. Now, I was in my 1 year and 10 from my name. Nama eradibo for insum want to move. It was David who prayed this prayer, not me. I can't bear 5 minutes near me. 2 verse 6, Psalm 35 verse 6. Osimo wana kwa munuru sum enya trotro na urade for in tower. Obi do nam kwam bone so. Obi odo nam kwam bone so. Enti wo ma do nam kwam bone so ka kire urade say ne huhum tower na urade mpia wo muntumbu. Na verse 7 was na wasum mi fidie wona me na mu kwa na watu me kra amena kwa enti amena bia yetu ama wo hia amena aninguase amena eka amena ahokyera amena yare amena owu amena esu amena ade bi oni pa hihia onim awurade ma ne bofo an tani pakro na ntum no on tasty bi hwese ya ana da Omo sorry anado pa omo to ase wona di unam nuros ni abosom so omo twa moja twa kokko wona etwa ne ensese etwa ede matumidie no. Tell God to punish them. You are very foolish people. Katra urade osina verse 9 osina me kra be di ahusie urade mu na me ho asane no ne nkwagie mu me nompe nyina be kasa urade wan na wote se wo And Opatafuor, whom is very tough pastor. We are very tough young guy. I don't want peace. I want troubles. I want a lot of problems. I don't want peace. Hey, Tiedio, and to go back to it, Psalm 35. Now the other company. I'm telling you. Area say and number 5. And a kutia nipa. Copper polyester white. White no ejina ho. MR.IBU mechre wase. Ne copper polyester black. Copper red. Ne po green efaka ho. We mi wie ya me delete o nti mo amwa akwankyere laade so no mo ye 36. Mo na mo nsabeka. Mi wie akwankyere we ya me delete afiro. Me kasa we ya na me delete afiro. eya na manfo ni bi yusu makwa nkyere e de bom pae oso mama sorry undi mechi o yusu makwa nkyere sa e na no sa na woman bi yusu ya o de ye ise me de tie afiro de obeye ni polyester black no ejina ho ema every evil spirit bia ana nipa bia ni tirimu osum no nadwemba tumi bia ni tirimu osum no baya ho money fani jina ho ma polyester black uria copper red no eye wo mo a o ma have part obi o ha it stands in for covenant obi a woni tumi bi akwa apam obi a tumi bi ya ton de wa ma tumi bi obi a mufie bosom wo ho mufie bosom wo ho bosom no bi a opese oyi uti fi ase e bato ntimi ana ukọ aduro so kwaje bosom ukọji sa tumi die ni bi but ebi a wakọ aduro so pen but o sense ana o tinka wo mu se sa tumi die no e fight against so compare the same red ni bi wanya niam tu okay omo a obepe white no ye wo white angels e wo ho white angels no omo nya papa maka tro say angels ye wo mu black angels omo na de omo ye black magic uko internet a o search ya black magic e wo ho ene ye wo omo a omo ye white angels no omo ye angels a omo say omo de omo nya bone da enti bible say Lucifer o ye no say han for white angel omo jira ho masa white angels no anasa to me to say omo come asuo tano no omo ye white angels for ni biasefo because asuo tano so ye spirit enti omo fall under sa categories na omo sorry omo fighting etie ni obi o ha wako invoke obi do picture ako India, China, Spain, Italy, Germany and obi do picture ako bosom no yentwi kasa mu de friend bosom but tano mo aside for no omo ye bosom fufuo tienie bosom fufuo ni nyina no omo ye white angels and omo life tie omo si omo de omo nye bone but omo kum nipa omo di nkwase asem so obi du koja omo be hawo entipe sa white polyester ni bi kaka on green one sa green one also no go and look for it ebi abepe 1 yard na green one also jina homa now what you call ashira no in the olden days no almost nyame yere ono di adwuma no ye ashira no ona atoto esum bi te say Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Shintoist. Sa esum no obi odo be call malam bi ogu nsebe obi o hwa hwehwem obi o banwem obi a oyusu jinn ana genie. Those people who uses jinn and genie for their evil agenda, they uses such spirit to pursue their evil agenda. So when you read the Bible very carefully, you see that every day God keeps on insisting that the Israelites have run to spirits that possessed or lived in a green tea, what do you call it? A green tree. Nanyankopon taka say Israel for no more journey akosum tumia or ti edua ahahamono. A queen of heaven or deceiving crofo obi wo ha to me be that down or deceiving or to be my evil thought or to be my evil agenda or to be my evil perception or to be my evil thought na da utri mu fi say nyame na dia to utri na say sa queen of heaven person your man green white black red and green saying on 5 klepo ni say klepo uso ni tini si anu a klepo boni nyina po boni po bom na peja fasha wonsa ni fanim na so ni gina ho usi awurade matini su ate awurade madi ya wate masu ate yare na to be so ate kwamboni bia onipa bi nam so me bona dane kɔ so ade ye kura mi nipa bia ne hunim mu bi o ma mi nua kura boni din o papa nua kura boni din me bompa me bom me papa din me bompa aso anka so Opatafuor me si kokko wo me se oni me bra hu bi awurade tuaneka oni me bra hu bi di amane nyina so ndue ana se obi na timi papa fie me papa nua bi na se obema ma bra di awurade tuaneka se ne university me bom me ma me di me ma me fra na bana ena bana se me ma me nua bi ene se o ma me ho nto me dia awurade tuaneka se de ne university se me maami busuani bi ti baabi se abena asefo de omo be brabo asesa awurade tia me ka o de no se me chona se ana se wo nam fofo na wo ne wo nam say if what among your friends, your colleagues, within your association, within your confines, so obi pretend this or pewasem and sunimu or evil agenda against you are radim chiane kase de university tiri adwuma wo so obi di ukwa aduro so wa adwuma mu so obi pese yi wa different adwuma nu obi pese wa nim gu ase wa adwuma nu a awurade ntua kase de university you tell God. Whilst you are telling God, you still hold on tight. Use your right hand and hold those things that I told you to go for it. Hold it and pray seriously. Me bad dani, me boy alia dani, me dani eka free me so, me dani ahuchile free me so, me dani ani mwasiye free me so, me dani wo free me so, empetu wo ka kwensiya. Se bibi ne beba be siya mi mpo free mu ewa abrabom abra enye wo uradi na wasisa me dia. Awurade ekwan bia me maami nua bi di me nam so ekwan bia madamfo bi di me nam so ekwan bia me nua bi di me nam so ekwan bia me namfofo di me nam so sa kwam body no kan ono atum ma wo makwa mu nuru sum na fa won krante no fa tama tamfo so. Let them suffer, let them confess, let them die. Let those who want us to die an untimely death, ya burn done. Until okay, Jeremiah chapter 15, verse 1 to 3. Osimia urade makuma enkunko ni pa bonifuo. Nemo se Moses ni Samuel mpo begyina me urade animu a makuma renkunko ho. De osebone no boni ne bekunu. Eya adane bo wonu nyankopon kro ebo adane. Go and read Jeremiah chapter 15 verse 1 to 3. Ba adane you know it is not your portion. I always tell God, I say, God, it is not my portion to suffer. It is not my portion to weep. It is not my portion. To that extent. I am sorry, and I'm stressed ready. And yam chafa, say sorry, and I'm a new guase. And yam chafa. Some yes resrefo and say ya adwuma no enidi na adenti na matamfo mbese me ya adwuma adenti na me ya adwuma so na sikato me nsem ano ahye bi ho a unhu de ode beto yale basa na ye fro na we fro na nyina na ahye no ma be at peace, because one day are able to drain you and silence you in life, they will leave you there. And that's how they pursue their evil agenda. Once they are able to bring you down and drain you somewhere along the line, they will leave you and go. It also bad Danny. Me bad Danny. No crap. Yan kase wuso. Me bad Danny. Sabi ma mi niya we. Onim hu bidia. Said ya usuma jafadum no. Said ya usuma jafadum. Exodus chapter 14 verse 19 to 21. Bible say na bofo na odi Israel dom na nimu no. Osane no ba be di Misrim ni eye. Israel for an intem na anadwono wo ye ejafadum kese e protect Israel no na oma Israel for no ehan and wo ye esum ato Misrim for no so wo si nipa bia otata esum nuru no wabrabon boss empire e kana umpa bonadane yare anya me chefa bonadane ukun ya wakuma ha wo pressure wo diabetes okura untimi didi doctor kura tua wadiane osusu a wonse ani sika kakra na beba wonsam ana asachi kakra na beba wonsam ana asachi. Why is it supposed to be so? Many people are suffering over there. People are dying untimely death. Why? It's all because there's an evil human out there who are hiding behind scenes to orchestrate things to happen, to make manifest in the physical realm. And you sit there, fold your arms and say, God will do it. Allah will do it. Allah will do it. When you keep your mouth, Allah will sit there and see you die. If you don't stand up and fight for yourself, this one thing that I've learned from the white people, they know that God really exists, but they have to do something, or else God will sit down, fold his hands, and allow them die. Until you engage the heavenly realm, they will keep their mouth silent on your issue. When Job sat down unconcerned, kept his mouth mute, what happened? When Job sat down, kept his mouth mute, unconcerned, what happened? The devil took Job to the heavenly court. The devil took Job to heavenly court. At the end of the day, everything that Job had labored for so many years, he was stripped up from all his blessings and remained paralyzed. And you are there saying what? People will kill you. Sorry to Honorable Bibi Linda, God bless you from Colorado. A blessed evening to you and everyone. Sorry to know, go and get those things that have been started to go back for it. Those 5 items. You tie it at the head and then you cling your hands to it. And not just sorry to so, but then you wouldn't share with your mom by the outcrowding Bible, wouldn't buy the album. Sorry, I'm not just 12. Deal with your enemies. Sorry, I'm not just 12. Who sorry be out here already? Do you pay ye? Do you pay me? 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 Papa? Oh, already can you be Abraham? Or see Abraham with your domain will make domain. Now do a boarding, parma boarding, pa. Sa a pamano, bonya me to swap for dear. Now, menina mianya sa pamano. Say already your bombing banya minimum who be the man on a safe 1 year vessel no money. Now do a sorry or castle Opatafuor won't cost when Yamin. Already should have said any part so. Only people how the Nanubesi who come and the boss who are born a job. No, what they are powerful. Sometimes you don't understand why some people, you meet good people in life, people with good character, and all of a sudden something will interject between you and these people, and you fight and separate, you go apart. Meanwhile, you know very well that something very good, something very positive would have come out of these people. When you lay down your ears and go down, you realize that it is somebody who is hiding behind scenes, feeding this said personality with wrong information, dropping something in the mental faculty of this said species, and wrong information about you. And to only part bedroom maybe now or no. A bedroom maybe no or black, white, red, green. Yes, go get it. Come. And to unya Saturday we ya Monday, usoriana, and to Sunday now beto wadian, Sunday here by yana beto to Saniama, Fawadi Ukura, and 4 be home. Only a man can trust all your bosom for the elder sister 1 when you and a half will be best. Kotos Saniama no Kura Wadiana tree, then you are didn't tell me the amibatio, you will be no one else. Ubehu ni pa oye we wi obepetu ni wako. Ubehu ni pa oye sa akwankyere we wi omo hu omo nkasa ho bi. Koma hu se utiri mu aye den. Kopasa de no na hwe wo mu a uye wi a de ebesi wo fie. Kobebi. Upasa de ni wi a udi de bia na 12. Torment your enemies. Torment your enemies. Ube bompa ye bia ready Psalm 35. Psalm 35, verse 1 to 7. Psalm 35, verse 1 to 7. Psalm 35, verse 1 to 7. We read the book in kind of goose. We are one muscle. No chassis, a bombay, jasa o tons, who now sorry album, jasa tons. Would you say already? One enemy dino, any woman need one pem one woman who was it. The woman penny yarita one woman who was it. Me boy alia dane, me boy a car dane, me boy ahokyera dane empatuwa dane kakansia dane wo ma fa wo ma no Yesu Kristo papa pa no enya brofo calendar de no papa pa no fa ni humanity no hey Yahushua Yashua Masha fa humanity no ni tirimu Katre Jacob tumfo nso mo ho ban ontre ne nkranta ne fa na red ton kranta ento nipa bi a wasore wo so ne nkonkom aso money tiri so nipa bi odo picture koto malam anim o paya plan na de kon so entwensi woni ne malam ne konfo kro ne tirim erade tia na watamfo ka de odo din akobe ye wiase the tender of God should strike that evil entity into pieces. You've got nothing to do with those people. They are very evil. Don't have mercy. Hey, Mary, are you still alive? Mary Magdalene. Mary Magdalene. You there on the line? Okay. What you say? Tinim pony away tinim. We dey paya plan na sa. Enko bon paya bia na okra otu ayemre. Ayemre. Unim paya bo bia bo. De bia on paya ubo wi na de adane dua bore. Na no so me betete ho na me tie on paya no bo wi sa. Utimi gba na wasa didi awurade atem. Enti u bompaye onu asa me paye aprana baby o mahia ye meeting eponase ensuo nase maamu watahimiem me fie ho nkonya dem ho abusum fie ho nkabre titie no we tumi me paye aprana. Oh, okay, Bible. Let me read the Bible to you. It says something. The entire ayamedi aprana no bompaye. Aprana is one of the weapons Satan suropa ompe. Satan esuropa papa. Aprana no ukai aprana na Satan ho hihye no because aprana no ye oja ano odin edia ho odin tie nie ukai Isaiah 29 verse 6 ahanum ehu o say asafu awurade beba abesrawo. Now once you are praying, you are invoking the Spirit of God to come and pay you a visit. Netienie or the aprana or the aprana tienios Isaiah 29 verse 6 or say asafo rade beba asafo rade beba besrawo or the aprana ne asase wuso ni jejeje kase chinsi amframa ne ahum ni ojaframa ehia ade ne beba adenti no the aprana eba because aprana ye tumi emu odu enne tumi se bibia wo de ensu oto na aprana adwa ya hwe wo yam hihie so umwa sa na tie enti kurawa de so paya prana me ma mi fie me paya prana me nua no ntam me paya prana big pray a wicked prayer oria ade na okuta chichere Tuesday another 12 yina bompa Wednesday another 12 Thursday another 12 Friday another 12 Saturday another 12 ade be Sunday another 12 we wi atwen anopa pejawa de no ne twajatum national cha ejatum national cha ejatum national bro so yes a kwankyere we a asem asi ewo fie nyanku ponhra makara ma otirim nya den